Hi guys, today I'm going to try to do something different, which is I'm going to solve this in do some problem in Java so that I can learn Java. So just a quick recap of this do some problem. It's the as the name suggests, you have two numbers which will sum up to this answer. So here you can see 2 and 7 sum up to this, so you have the index of these two. That's a brief summary of it. I've already solved this. You can watch my video again. And there we go, we can now solve the question in I've already written a kind of a note for myself. So I have a loop. I have to first create the map first, and then I have to go to the to find the I have the solution already done. So I'm just going to translate it into the Java, which I don't know if we can actually quickly go through this. So I have to first create the map. So if you can see, this is how you create a hash map. So I'll quickly go through it. I'll quickly type this hash map. I think I have to give it a name. Before that, how do I create this? I have to create the type first, which is integer. Then I'll go to the integer again. Okay, cool. Now I'll create a new hash. No, I have to give the name first. What will be the result map? Okay, new hash map. And how do you I think it's pretty simple, like more like a TypeScript, but not exactly. I think this is a wrapper class, I guess. I remember. I don't know why we use that, but I remember a bit of it. Cool. Okay. Yeah. Hash map done. We have a result map. Now what I want to do is I want to create a map. I'll put as index for just the convenience of it. Index less than equal to the nums length. I guess the same Java as well, and I++. Okay, cool. Now I'll get the first, which is the current number, will be equal to nums. That's the same again, I guess. Now I'll get the difference, which is the target minus the current number. Yes, great. Now what I have to check is if the result map contains key of difference. Why difference? Because I'm going to create a map with like having a value as the key and the index as the value, if you know what I mean. If you do, you do. If you don't, you don't. I'm just kidding. So if the difference is already there, what I have to do is I just have to return an array. So I don't know how to return an array, so I will put this as answer array. I think this is how you create an array, I guess. How do you create an array? How do you create an array? I've already asked ChatGPT. I'll quickly go through this. Yeah, this one. So and new int, new into. That's all. New into. I don't need to create this. I just can do this, and boom, I have an array which can store two Well, I'm not sure whether it's Java 19 or not, but this is all I know. So the answer array, the first element, since the order doesn't matter, see, the order doesn't matter, you can return as any order. So the first is going to be the result map dot get the one which have the difference, so that this get will get the value which is the index. Difference, am I making a spelling mistake? Difference. I'm not sure. Always make sure. Answer array is one result map dot. No, I just got carried away a lot, so I just went somewhere. So I'll quickly make sure this is still working. For some reason this stops working as soon as I start to explain properly. It stops working. Yes. Yeah, see, that's why we're used to some stuff and we can't get rid of it. So if it is not this, I have to set it, right? Who is going to do that? I'm going to do that. Who is going to do that? I'm going to do that. Just kidding. So I'm going to put the current number and the index. So as I said here, it will be like this, value and the index. If you know what I mean, you know. If you know, you know. If you don't know, you don't know. What else? Cannot feasible num side. See, again and again I am making the same mistake. If it's an interview, I am done. You can make out of bound. Start from 0. I don't need yes. Yeah, everything's correct. Submit it. In case my yes, 55.5. Great.